Hi, Rick Voorhees here. I am honored to be the facilitator for this learning experience that we are going to engage in this fall, Education Analytics ED8800. I'm especially interested in learning about you and learning about how you see analytics as helping your institution, helping you in your career, and how you can use analytics within your current context to advance the idea of community college student success. It's an 8-week course. 3 weeks we'll be together in Kansas City, as you know. The first, right after Labor Day. I'm looking forward to meeting you and working with you and learning from you about the questions that I just discussed. The course itself is designed with open education resources in mind. That is, the required reading that you'll need to do is all available on the web and in the syllabus. I have included some suggested readings for you that can help you further your career, that can help you just in terms of some of the tricks that will be in your bag for moving forward. But you need not purchase any books to make it through this course. We'll be looking at screencasts, the first of which is up in the course. And I should say the umbrella of which is up in the course. There are 3 screencasts dealing with the notion of cohort tracking. And there's an exercise with an Excel database, which is also up in the course, that you can use to decompose, to learn how to manipulate that data to make sense out of where students are progressing in institutions and where they're not. Another valuable trick to have in your bag. We also will be asking you to create a public blog, and that blog will reference the course readings, the course experiences, your thinking about the topics in each of the 8 weeks. Your blog will be read by anybody with access to the internet, and it'll be a good opportunity for people to learn from you and a good opportunity for you to communicate your thinking about data and analytics to a larger world, that is a world larger than this class. We'll also be working through discussion boards in the weeks that we're not face-to-face so that we can continue to develop the topics that go into education analytics regularly. I encourage you, as the syllabus states, to post early to your discussion boards and don't wait till the end of the week so that your colleagues have a chance to then post and respond to your posts. Similarly, we think that posting to your blogs, that we would ask everybody in the class to post to one another's blogs at least once. And both of these activities are self-graded and self-assessment. In other words, you will grade yourself on the content and the various steps within your blog. You will do the same with your discussion boards. At the end of the week, you will send those to me, and I will look at them, and if I agree with you, this is the grade that we will record, and if there's a disagreement, we will discuss it and move the issues forward so that the blogs at the beginning of the course may look different than the blogs that you make at the end of the course, and certainly that's the same for the discussion boards. Another key part of the course is the action paper, in which you will be asked to plan out a series of realistic steps to move the institution that you're now affiliated with or a hypothetical organization towards creating and enhancing a culture of inquiry in which analytics and data are used throughout the organization in order to make decisions about the organization's future. You'll be presenting that your our third face-to-face week together in Kansas City. And there is a rubric for creating an action item as well. And finally, I will be in the country for 7 of the weeks of the course. I will not be in the country the 8th week of the course, and for that reason, I'm giving you a couple of different phone numbers. The first of which is my cell number, which I answer during the daylight hours, and that's 303-918-1981. During the 7th week of the course, the 8th week of the course, the easiest way to reach me is my Google Voice number, which is 720-432-8201. And of course, if I'm in a different time zone, 12 hours different, please don't expect a response right away, but I'll get back to you as quick as I can. The preferred way to communicate with me is my email address, which is professor@voorheesgroup.org. That's in my domain, and that's a special mailbox that I've set up just for you so that any email that you write me won't get lost in the cavalcade of other email that I receive every day. So thank you very much. Looking forward to learning from you and working with you and advancing the use of education analytics. Thank you.